Hey, what's up? Sami here. Today we are going to take a closer look at the Redmi K60 Ultra. I've covered everything about it, like the camera performance, the hardware performance, the difference between its processor, the K60 Pro, and my conclusion. Should you upgrade or not? By the way, I've done a lot of other videos like the Mi Pad 6 Max, Mi Band 8 Pro, also the Mix 3 Fold, Mix Fold 3. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we have a pen, a phone case. Then we have the phone, a 120 watts fast charger, Type-C cable. Okay, that is the unboxing. So here we have the black color, we also have a white color here in the shop. So which one do you like most? Please let me know down in the comments. Now let's take a closer look at the design. So on the top we have the speaker, an infrared blaster. I like the feature because I can use it to remote control air conditioner or TV when I miss the controller for them. And then we have the Dino's mic. Moving to the right side, we have the power key and the volume rocker. Then moving to the bottom, we have the speaker, Type-C charging, and the SIM card tray. Dual SIM card, dual standby, does not support SD card expansion. Moving to the left side, nothing. Going to the back, that's the camera module. It has the same camera specs as the Redmi K60 Pro. The design seems different, right? So how is the performance of it? I will just put more samples later. So stick around to the end for that. Alright, that is the design. To be honest, the first time I saw it, I thought it's gonna be a really thick and bulky one. But when I'm holding it, I feel it's quite smooth and comfortable because they have this kind of decent curve design in the back. So when you hold it, it's just not protruding, to your hands. So that's quite comfortable, and the screen is totally flat. So it's good news for those non-curved phone screen lovers. Alright, now let's talk about the specs. Right here we have the MIUI version 14. I was kind of expecting the 15, but currently it's 14. And CPU dimensity 9200 plus. Battery capacity is 5000 mAh. Screen size 6.67. And the camera specs is 20 megapixel the front, and the rear is 50 plus 8 plus 2 megapixel. One thing you may want to know is how about the refresh rate. It's up to 144 Hz, but I'm not sure if it's like it supports LTPO, adjusting its refresh rate according to the task is performed on your phone. Let's just turn to 144 Hz and let's watch some TikToks or some videos. Maybe that is what you mostly use your phone for, right? I mean, of course, you guys, lots of people don't like TikTok, but here, let's just do it. At the same time, let's test the audio quality.
If we ever broke up, gonna be sad. Thinking about everything I thought we had if we ever broke up.
Enquanto parede, eu vou acabar contigo.
Alright, that is the sound test. To be honest, I think it is just fine for the phone like this, because I'm not that impressed by the sound, obviously, if you compare to the Mi Pad 6 Max, which is just did the video before, and that is the best sound I've ever listened. But yeah, it's a different category. But I think it's fine. It's so cute. Alright, about the hardware performance, let's just run Antutu benchmark. Alright, now 80%. Let's check the temperature. It feels alright. It's not like unbearably hot, and it's mainly focused on the camera module, and I guess this is where the chipset located. It's fine. Let's just see the final result. All right, there you have it. 1.5 million scores for the Antutu benchmark. This is definitely one of the most powerful smartphones on the market. You can check all the details here and the temperature of those. This is just crazy. If years ago you told me that the phone from Redmi could score like this much, I wouldn't believe it, but here you have it now. It's just unbelievable, right? Now let's move to the camera performance. So here, this is the interface. Let me walk you through like really quickly. You just press this arrow icon here, you get to see all those features like settings here, anything you want to set. The put like this most frequently used features like here, like a watermark. You can even click more to choose different watermarks. And here like a voice shutter. 拍照. 拍照. Okay. 拍照. Okay. Once you turn to the front camera, it seems not working. It doesn't even have that kind of icon, right? So the front camera doesn't support voice. All right, you can see more options here, like a micro, timer, motion tracking focus, this kind of thing. But anyway, let's move to the video. So here's the video. As you can see, it supports 8K 24. That's just crazy. So yeah, 3060 not working, so it only supports up to 8K 24. So let's choose 4K. It supports 4K 60 and then 1080, 60. And then let's move to the front camera. One thing you guys ask most is like, does it support 4K? Again, sadly, it does not. It does not support 4K, just 1080. Okay, 1080, 30. There's not even an option for 60. Okay, that is the 1080, 30. Now, this is the front camera, so let me just take a little bit more footage. So. Yeah, big bummer. It does not support 4K. Okay, 1080p 30 fps, the front camera. One thing I noticed is yes, when the light is sufficient, I can see there is no jelly effect and looks really stable. Even when I hand hold it with no game ball. That two towers is like the highest twin tower with the same height in China. So right now it's like 4K 60 fps. To be honest, I always use like 60 fps because we can always like slow down when I later edit it. So must be 60 fps. So let me zoom a little bit. 1.6, 1.2, 2.73, 3.9, now 5.2. It starts getting grainy and unusable, I guess. 6 times. Okay, 6 times is like the highest. And then we 1 time. Okay. That's the 4K. 1060. Let's see. 2. This is like a 2. It's quite usable. I can say drum here. So this is like 2, 3 times. 5. I can see it starts getting grainy. 6. Okay, this 6. Yeah, don't use this. So 1 or 1 is like it's good. 1 times, 2 times, even 3 times. All right. Okay, that's it. Seems not bad. Okay. The stabilization is really good. Now let's test 4K60. Alright, now 4K60, as this video is gonna be 1080p, so I will just scale down 4K to 1080p. Very stable actually. It's really good. It's really good. Alright, this is ultra wide main. 2 times, and as you can see, it supports up to 10 times the digital zoom. So let's just take 5 times first. 10 times. Let's take more. That's my quick hands-on of the Redmi K60 Ultra. For me, it is definitely worth the upgrade. Better hardware performance, better camera performance, and some other upgrades. I especially like that IP68 waterproofing, so I don't need to be afraid of getting spilled water or taking to shower. I like it. One downgrade maybe is the 30 watts wireless charging, which does not have on the K60 Ultra. But to be honest, for me personally, I don't care if it has wireless charging because I don't use it anyway. And most importantly, the price with all these solid upgrades is even cheaper than the K60 Pro. So why not get this one? You won't regret it. And if you are interested in this K60 Ultra, you can check out the link from his top. It's my friend's website, and I do get a small kickback if you successfully purchase one. You can support me by supporting my friend's website. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.